Comfort seekers and adventurers, welcome. Prepare to meet the 2026 Volvo Motorhome, the pinnacle of luxury and innovation on the road. This remarkable car, which is predicted to completely transform the motorhome industry, blends superb performance with sophisticated Scandinavian style. With Volvo's recognizable sleek, aerodynamic lines, it radiates refinement from the exterior and exhibits the ideal fusion of style and utility. Beneath it all, we may anticipate a high-tech heart, a sophisticated electric drivetrain, perhaps with 2 electric motors for strong and smooth all-wheel drive, supported by a large battery pack for increased range and emission-free driving. The dashboard is a technological and minimalistic beauty that greets you as soon as you enter. A large, vertical infotainment touchscreen, which functions as an intuitive and completely integrated control center, has been installed in place of cluttering buttons. All the necessary information is shown on a stylish digital driver's display behind it, and 5G connection and integrated Google Assistant make sure you're constantly linked to the outside world and your navigation. As you go inside, you'll discover the true spirit of Scandinavian design. The inside is well-designed, light-filled, and roomy. In addition to being aesthetically beautiful, the use of sustainable materials such as Nordico and rich wool mixes is also gratifying to the touch. The beauty of nature is brought inside your cabin by the unhindered views provided by large panoramic windows and perhaps a glass roof. You can quickly convert this room from a cozy lounge to a sophisticated dining area thanks to its adaptable design, which includes sliding and swiveling seats. The bedroom in the 2026 Volvo Motorhome provides a peaceful haven when it's time to relax. A king-size bed with a comfortable mattress is one example of how modern luxury and utility may coexist. The ideal setting for unwinding is created by cleverly concealed storage and movable ambient lighting. Volvo's refinement is even reflected in the bathroom's design. With high-end materials, contemporary fixtures, and the potential for a water-saving shower, this bathroom is small yet thoughtfully uses every available space. Together, functionality and style guarantee that you have everything you want in a neat, simple manner. Let's finally look at the kitchen. This kitchen, which is intended for itinerant cooks, is probably going to have modern, energy-efficient appliances like an induction cooktop, a refrigerator/freezer that blends in smoothly, and a useful sink. No matter where your travels take you, you'll always have everything you need to make delectable meals thanks to clever counters and concealed storage. More than simply a car, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is a futuristic house on wheels where elegance, sustainability, and technology come together to provide an unmatched vacation experience. Are you prepared for your next journey?